So the first hat we're gonna start off with comes from Athlete's Foot. Athlete's Foot has been getting some exclusives in the hat community, I've noticed. So we're gonna go ahead and get this one out of the bag and let's see what we got. Okay. We have this one right here, this Teal Breeze with this St. Louis 1967 World Series patch right here on the side. That was one of the things that drew me to this hat right here. And of course we have the throwback St. Louis Cardinals logo right here. Oh, and you have the pink brim on the underside. Of course you can see this retailed for $42.99. But I just love this teal that's on here with these little hits of yellow. And you have the yellow New Era flag right there on the side. And one of my favorite pieces right here is this red and teal and white MLB logo. I think that is just so fresh. What do you guys think? And where's this one made? This one is made in Bangladesh. It's a Cooperstown collection. And it's my size of 7.5. So all my exclusive hat collectors point me into the right direction. This is definitely one that I wanted. I seen in there. And shout out to the homie Trail, man. He put me back on the caps because I've been wearing fitteds for years, but you know, he's coming up, man. He has a nice cap collection. And I have this one right here. This is just the one I bought a while back. I wore it with my Kith Dipset Air Force Ones. This is just a New York Knicks with the Statue of Liberty right here. You got the white New Era flag right there. Of course, you have the white and orange NBA logo, which I thought was tough about this hat. It's the gray visor symbol. I gotta take that stick off, man. She gotta go. Matter of fact, we can take it off now. Oh, got the little circle. I know how to get the circle of death off, so it's nothing. Yeah, but it's just the New York Knicks logo. No, I'm not a Knicks fan, but you know the you know the vibes. White, orange, and blue. You know what it is. So the hats that we came here for, I ordered these from PACKER. Ordered these from PACKER Shoes. And block off the address. It's nothing but a box. Nothing crazy. Let's go ahead and unbox this right quick with my handy dandy knife. All right, see what we got. Okay. Got that off. And I saw these two hats on PACKER's. I was like, wow. Now the Mets hat went pretty quickly. Yeah, the Mets hat went pretty quickly. So I ended up snatching both. And whoa, look what we got here. Okay. All right. Go ahead and get these exclusive caps out of the bag. Let me see, does it have a receipt? Yes, the receipt shows that it comes from PACKER and T-Neck. Make sure y'all check PACKER Shoes out. They still have some Yankees caps like these online. And I'll put the description in the box, but we'll get into that later. Let's go ahead and get these out the package. And man, whoa. Whoa. A little dust on it, but whoa. Whoa. Have the Yankees and the Mets. I just saw them and caught both. You know, on some Subway Series type shit. Gold stickers gonna be taking off these as well. Start with my favorite one is the Mets. I'm feeling this. It has the Empire right here embroidered in that orange, going all the way around, and of course the New York Mets logo right there. Empire State. And this is tough. You see the back, you have the white, orange, and blue MLB logo. Gray undervisor. This did retail for $44. Of course, North Carolina got that stupid tax. And this was made in Bangladesh as well, 100% Lana. And of course, it's my size of 7.5. Man, they are coming with it with these caps, man, with these exclusive caps. Let's go ahead and pull out the The other one from Packer, the Yankees. For all my Yankee fans, this cap may be for you, but for me, it's going in the collection. I might wear it once with a couple of pairs of kicks. I like that logo in the back, the blue and gray. Rock it with those Hoya 3s. These will look good with them. Yankee 3s, whatever you want to call it. 7.5, 100% Lana again. Made in Bangladesh. You know, just some dope caps, man. You know, that's all we got, man. We got some dope caps, got some nice stuff. But we definitely gonna put these 3 exclusives. I'm gonna put these on head, show you how they look. And that's it, man. But y'all know what we do around this time. Fitted caps get rocked every day around here, B. Come on, y'all. Let's take these exclusive new era caps to the streets. Man, fitted caps are something that's been in the culture for years. You know, some people are really, really hardcore new era fitted cap people, man. And some people been in the game for a while. Some been collected since the 90s, early 2000s. Whenever you started, you cannot go wrong with a nice fitted. But as far as these 2 Packer shoes exclusives, man, I'm definitely feeling these. The quality of it, the stitching. These are going to be classics for years to come. Of course, my favorite out of the 2 is the Mets. So guys, what do you think? Tell me what you think in the comments, man. Do you like which one of the 3 caps that I picked today that you like? Just let me know. If you enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. And that's right, y'all. Bang that notification bell. Turn those post notifications on so you won't miss none of this content that I'm dropping, man. We don't want to miss a thing. This is the culture, baby. Sneakers, fitted hats, jerseys. This is Big Al Kicks. This is what makes it, man. This is the era I grew up in. I'm from the fitted cap era, the OG sneaker era, all of that, man. The 90s was live. But hey, I'm glad you guys stopped by. Y'all know the motto by now. I'm wild, you wild, we all wild, baby. Stay fly, stay fresh, and most importantly, stay safe. It's your boy Big Al Kicks, aka the UI General, signing on out of here. Peace.